how to deposit $25 referral bonus on Wealthsimple. Hi everyone, in this following video I'll be showing you the ways to deposit $25 referral bonus on Wealthsimple. So in order to deposit $25 referral bonus, you have to make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So basically there are several steps involving. So for that case, first of all, you need to log in into your Wealthsimple account. When you're logged into your account, you need to navigate to your account dashboard or profile section. After that, you can look for the section or tab related to referral bonus, and this may be labeled differently depending on the platform version you're using. And then you can go ahead and select your deposit method. Then you can specify the amount you wish to deposit, and you can just go ahead and confirm the transaction and all that. And after you've done with that procedure, then you've successfully used your $25 referral bonus. So that is how you can deposit the $25 referral bonus on Wealthsimple. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.